This is Darshana Gochan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for October 18, 2024. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was down by 1.81 points or 0.44% to 406.32. Total trade volume was down and light, with 59,745 shares changing hands at a total value of 368 million real, or approximately $90,700. On the main board, only one stock was up. Brand Twins International was up 0.96% or 40 real to 4,200 real per share. On the other hand, four stocks were down. The biggest loser of the day was the Sihanoukville Autonomous Port, which was down 1.05% or 120 real to 11,300 real per share, followed by the Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority, which was down 0.63% or 40 real to 6,260 real per share. Other stocks down included MJQ Education and Acleda Bank. The rest of the main board remained flat, including the Phnom Penh Autonomous Port, Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ, Pestec Cambodia, and Cam GSM. Over on the growth board, DBD Engineering was down 0.97% or 20 real to 2,050 real per share, while JS Land remained flat at 3,450 real per share. Acleda Bank recorded the highest trade volume of the day, with 37,818 shares changing hands at a total value of 272.2 million real, or close to $66,900, making up roughly 54.5% of total shares traded on October 18th. The Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority recorded the second highest trade volume of the day, with 13,049 shares changing hands at a total value of 80.5 million real, or roughly $19,800, accounting for 18.8% of Friday's trade volume. In other market-related news, the Royal Group of companies has launched Cambodia's first gas-fired facility, marking a significant investment of $1.34 billion located in Kha Khong province. The gas-fired power plant will feature two combined cycle F-class generation units, each with a capacity of 450 megawatts. Once operational, the plant is expected to generate approximately 6,000 gigawatt-hours of electricity annually, supplying the EDC through a 30-year power purchase agreement. According to the Electricity Authority of Cambodia, the facility is projected to contribute 18% to the country's total generation capacity and account for 26% of its energy output. The commercial operations for the first unit are anticipated to begin by April 2027. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD weakened slightly to 4,062 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was slightly down to 103.66. Looking at global commodities, oil futures steadied on Friday after data showed a fall in crude and fuel inventories in the United States and the emergence of more fiscal stimulus to boost China's economy, though prices were headed for their biggest weekly loss in more than a month. Brent crude futures gained 0.3% to $74.68 a barrel. Gold breached the $2,700 per ounce level on Friday for the first time ever, as U.S. election jitters and simmering Middle East tensions boosted safe haven demand, while a looser monetary policy environment also added fuel to the rally. Spot gold was up 0.4% at $2,703.61 per ounce after scaling a record high of $2,714 earlier in the session. Prices gained about 2% this week. U.S. gold futures rose 0.4% to $2,719.20. U.S. stock futures were rising early Friday, with tech set to take a leg higher after Netflix's third quarter earnings beat analysts' expectations. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, Dow Jones Industrial Average futures were edging up 14 points or less than 0.1%. Contracts tied to the tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 rose 0.4%, while S&P 500 futures were up 0.2%. This was Darshana Gochan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for October 18th.